Welcome to Diane's channel. We're now doing a tour of this massive land space. So I'll be going along doing what I usually do to bring it to you guys. Baron has just informed that phase one, the land over there, plots, they're all gone. You know, they're gone. But it really, showing you. Guys, if you're thinking about investment, owning a piece may not necessarily be where you choose to reside, but surely for investment, hey, wouldn't it be nice if you so desire to own land each region in Ghana? So we're actually heading out to phase two. The land, the soil is rich and bountiful. So you can plant your fruits and veggies. Imagine what this will look like in 5, 10 years, 20 years from now. And remember, the land is free. What you pay for is the administrative costs. $1,200 US per plot, which is a quarter acre of land. It's a house there, building. Beautiful day, nice and sunny in Ghana. Barn also can maintain your plot or plots if you so desire, if you live outside of Ghana. Isn't that wonderful? And even if you live within Ghana, but you're in the city or any other region, and you would like someone to maintain, yes, he offers that service. And this is where we're going up. I'm going up. Well, I'm behind because I have to capture as much for you guys. Yes, Diane S most definitely wants a piece of Asebu. Please share, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Merasi. Thank you. God bless.